Bus camera change. Bus camera change. Bus camera change. Bus camera change.
Hello passengers, I hope you are all well. I have come to pick you up. I will drop you off at the bus terminal.
Bus camera change.
Please turn on the AC. Okay, sir.
Sir, your drive is very good.
I'm so glad you like my drive.
Sir, it's been a lot of fun traveling with you somewhere we're not going to reach.
Yes, miss, we are about to arrive. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to serve. This is the best bus terminal in the city. You can travel further from here.